National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Orange County and southeastern New York until 3:15 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Walden, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Walden, Montgomery, Gardnertown, Maybrook, Orange Lake, Pine Bush, and Bombville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Orange, New York. The National Weather Service